Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Molly Strong-Ferrigno, and I am back with Waves of Thinking by AYTM. With me right now, I have Pepper Miller. She is the president of Hunter Miller Inc., and she's also Cultural Insights Strategist and Trust Steward, grounded in Black humanity.
Long title, right?
It's a great title. Thank you so much for joining me.
It's my pleasure.
So you shared an interesting statistic. I want to start there in your presentation that said 51% of the general population have a distrust in major institutions. Tell us a little bit about why that is.
Well, because it's so much going on these days, and that's 51% of people worldwide.
Wow. Global study.
Yeah, distrust. But it's what's happening politically
Mhm.
in our country and what's happening worldwide. It's also because a lot of brands, a lot of companies don't fully understand people. So we're living in this truth abandonment era. And truth abandonment occurs when people are not being seen, when they're not being heard, when they're not being understood. So then when truth is abandoned because of that, then trust breaks. So that's kind of one of the cycles. There's many, many reasons, but that's probably one of the major cycles too, besides that in the political climate.
Yeah, and you said also that this trust has to be the standard. The trust and the truth has to be the standard, and you just can't continue to say the comfortable narrative.
Absolutely, particularly when we're talking about market research. We need to tell the full story. We need to be truth tellers. There's a tendency sometimes, particularly with Black and Brown people, when they're sharing their lived experiences, it makes others who are not Black and Brown feel uncomfortable. But it is our truth. These are things
Right.
that happen to us, and there's learning that can come from us. Because one of the things, when you get it right with Black and Brown people, you get it right with mainstream.
Right.
Because what you're doing is listening to the humanity and using those human insights to reach a broader target. So it's a wonderful, wonderful opportunity.
That's incredible. And take us a little bit through how you rebuild that trust, which is essential at its core foundation for any brand across any industry.
I think one of the things that we have to do is we got to start with what people believe in. And it doesn't mean that we agree with people's beliefs, but you do have to understand people's beliefs and where they're coming from. And then in doing so, you have to have some type of insight on lived experiences. Because if you align the beliefs with the lived experiences, that's where the insights and the opportunity will come from. If those beliefs don't align with the lived experiences, like, for example, one of the examples I talked about was how Asian people are too Asian or not American enough. That's the
Oh,
belief.
yeah.
But the truth is that you could be Asian and American. You could be Asian and trans. You could be Asian and gay. And it doesn't mean you have to give up your identity to fit in. So that's one of the things. And then when you have the full lived experience, that's the full story that you want to share. Again, when you're sharing that full story by people who are different, you have an opportunity to reach a broader segment of the population. So you're building trust, you're earning trust, and you're reaching larger segments of the population.
And that's really what's going to resonate.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Well, thank you
Absolutely.
so much for
It's my
illuminating
pleasure.
that
All
for us.
right.
Thank you
No
so much,
problem.
Pepper.
Thank
We'll
you.
catch you
It's
next
my
time.
pleasure. Thank you.